Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about choices. So choices which we have and choices which we make. I guess choices which we make is going to determine the choices which we will have in the future. We always have the choice to just lay back in your bed and watch YouTube and Netflix and all those distractions. Or maybe you can get out of your bed, or rather jump out of your bed and go out for a walk, or rather for a run, and see how it feels. It is definitely affect the choices you will have in your future. All the best, guys.